with him. Shakti also has a lotus flower in her hand. One of Ganeshji's hands is in Varada Mudra. Inspiration. This form symbolizes that there will be difficulties in every work, but man has the power to remove them. In ancient times, the sage Subhari had a very beautiful ashram on Mount Sumeru. His very beautiful and devoted wife's name was Manomai. One day the sage went to the forest to collect wood and Manomai got busy with household chores. At the same time, a wicked Gandharva named Conch came there, and when he saw the matchless beauty of Manomai, he became restless. Conch caught hold of the sage's wife's hand. The sage's wife, weeping and trembling, begged him for mercy. At that moment, Sage Subhari arrived. He cursed the Gandharva and said, "You have caught hold of my wife's hand like a thief, so you will become a mouse and fill your stomach by stealing under the earth." 1. The trembling Gandharva prayed to the sage, "Merciful sage, due to indiscretion I touched your wife's hand. Please forgive me." The sage said that my curse will not go in vain. However, in Dwapar, Lord Ganesha will appear in the form of a son with the face of an elephant at the house of Maharishi Parashar. Ganesha took different incarnations in every era. Then you will become his vehicle named Dinka, due to which even the gods will start respecting you. Then the whole world will worship you by calling you Sri Dinkaji. Without giving birth to Ganesh, goddess Parvati created his body. At that time his face was normal. After Ganesh was created in goddess Parvati's bathroom, the goddess ordered him to guard the house. The goddess said that Ganesh should not let anyone enter the house while she is taking a bath. Then Lord Shankar came to the door and said, "Son, this is my house, let me enter." When Ganesh stopped him, the Lord severed Ganesh's head from the body. Seeing Ganesh lying lifeless on the ground, goddess Parvati became anxious. Then Shiva realized his mistake and put the head of an elephant on Ganesh's body. He got the boon of being the first to be worshipped. That is why Ganesh is worshipped first. Offering sindoor and grass to Ganeshji gives special results. Apart from this, he also likes jaggery modaks and bundi laddus, leaves of shami tree and betel nut. There is also a ritual of offering red dhoti and green clothes to Ganeshji. Marriage. According to scriptures, Ganesha was married to 2 wives, named Riddhi and Siddhi. From them he has 2 sons and a daughter named Shubh and Labh. That is why you often see these 2 words Shubh and Labh with his idol, and they occur in birth and death. Worshipping Ganesha only gives siddhis, but complete salvation is not possible with his devotion. Apart from these 2 sons, Ganesha also has a daughter who is known as Santoshi Mata.